Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something totally game-changing in the world of messaging apps. Bitchat. If you've ever been frustrated by spotty internet, censorship, or just want a more private way to chat, this app might just blow your mind. So, what is Bitchat and how does it work? Let's break it down. Bitchat is a decentralized messaging app created by Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter and CEO of Block. Unlike your typical messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, Bitchat doesn't need Wi-Fi, mobile data, or even a central server to work. Instead, it uses Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE to let you send messages directly to other devices nearby. Pretty cool, right? So, how does it actually work? Bitchat operates on something called a Bluetooth mesh network. Picture this. Your phone connects to other phones with Bitchat installed within a range of about 100 meters. That's roughly 330 feet. If the person you're trying to message is farther away, your message can hop from one phone to another, extending the range up to 300 meters or nearly 1,000 feet. This peer-to-peer setup means no middleman, no servers, and no internet required. Now, let's talk privacy, because this is where Bitchat really shines. All messages are end-to-end encrypted using modern cryptography, so only the sender and receiver can read them. No phone numbers, no emails, no personal info needed, just pure anonymity. Plus, messages are stored only on your device and disappear after delivery, leaving no trace on any server. It's like the ultimate privacy tool for texting. Bitchat isn't just for one-on-one chats. You can create group chats called rooms with hashtags like #partyvibes, and even lock them with passwords for extra security. There's also a store and forward feature, which means if someone's offline, their messages are cached and delivered once they're back in range. Perfect for festivals, protests, or even disaster zones where internet access might be down. Now, Bitchat is still in beta, available on iOS through Apple's test flight, and it hit its 10,000 user limit in no time. An Android version is in the works, and since it's open source, developers can jump in to improve it, but it's not perfect yet. The range depends on how many users are nearby, and there's no delivery confirmation yet, so you might not know if your message got through unless someone replies. Plus, it's still in early stages, so expect some bugs. So who's Bitchat for? It's ideal for anyone in areas with bad connectivity, like remote villages, or during emergencies like natural disasters or internet blackouts. It's also a game changer for privacy-focused folks who want to stay off the grid. Think Hong Kong protests or music festivals where cell service is a nightmare. Jack Dorsey calls Bitchat his weekend project, but it's already making waves as a censorship-resistant, privacy-first tool. With plans to add Wi-Fi direct for better speed and range, Bitchat could redefine how we stay connected in a hyper-digital world. What do you think about Bitchat? Could this be the future of messaging, or just a niche tool for specific scenarios? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more tech updates. Until next time, stay connected, online or off. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.